Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Maps not working on your Android. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So if you're having issues with Google Maps, what you'll need to do is come out of the app itself, then go into settings and scroll down until you see apps, so you want to tap on that. And you can just search for the app if you want to do it that way. And once you've clicked on here, you want to go on permissions. And you just want to make sure all of these options are allowed. So if they're not allowed, like the ones below, all you need to do is click on them. And then just make sure it's set on allow only while using the app. So just make sure they're all set on that. And then the other thing you can do is come out of here and go into storage. And all you want to do is clear cache and clear data. And that should hopefully fix Google Maps. Thanks for watching.